much like the first 6 years in the life of a child. The first months in the network marketing are formative times, and it is during these impressionable months that patterns of success must be firmly established in each new distributor's mind. Very few people will survive the first year. In their first few weeks are misspent, and we believe our industry's high attrition rate can be traced back to seed of failure sown in these very early stages. Apply what we teach you in this chapter, and you are far more likely to find yourself among the first year survivor and thrivers rather than a part of that attrition statistic. Fundamental to the establishment of a network marketing business is the creation of what we call the warm list. In fact, it's so critical to success that we've allocated this entire chapter to define, explain, and teach you step by step how to utilize your most powerful resource. A warm list is a group of individuals from your past and present whom you know well enough that were you to pick up the telephone and call them, you will recognize you once they heard your name. The value of a warm list is that for the first few months, new distributors are able to speak with people they know, and more importantly, those with whom they would love to forge a lifetime business relationship. Indeed, one motive for our present partnership, next page, Mame, with other experts in the think tank consulting first 21st century global trust to educate network marketing, how to prospect in the coming century by focusing on relationship marketing rather than merely sifting through huge numbers of prospects. We are currently working on a simple, easily duplicated system which will allow many more distributors to capitalize on their own warm market relationship to oppose to the past process of just throwing mud on the wall and hoping some stick. Furthermore, it matters little to this group of family and friends that distributors are new or that their presentation are mediocre by beginning with his inner circle, what we call warm contacts. New distributors will be prepared to enter the more judgmental world of cold marketing, attempting to recruit professional whom they never met should they have to do so that when approaching large number of prospects become crucial. Your warm list is that sets you apart from everyone else in the business. It is your aids for success. Without it, your approach to the success is not terribly different from standing on a street corner selling newspapers. So, according sa ating topic, baka merong nakarelate dyan according sa ating mga experience. Sino po ang ano natin dito? Kabigay ng konting share during sa ano nila yung crucial time. Sinong mag-hands up? Yes, Ma'am Kes. Kasi naka-smile si Ma'am Kes, alam ko na yan. Alam ko ng sagot yan pag mag-smile si Ma'am Kes. Ma'am Kes, go ahead Ma'am Kes, according your ano experience during our
Hindi,
new ano.
napapa-smile lang ako, Ma'am Zen, kasi yung alam mo yung nothing comes to your mind except looking to the slides presented and making the composure on this chat room. But anyway, tinawag mo naman din kasi ako, like, at yung first part pa lang naman din kasi tayo, ma'am, like, attacking the Wormley's warhead. From the word attacking, talagang grabe yung mixed emotions natin ba? Yung hindi na magma-matter kung first year ka ba sa isang lugar, o first year ka ba sa isang negosyo mo, or specifically first year in our networking. Kasi nakikita mo yung approaches ba nagva-varies. And then, gaya ng na-introduce kanina ni Ma'am Zen, like, yung mga warhead natin is marami-rami na, no? Kasi nasa first part pa lang naman din tayo. And again, nandito pa rin yung tampok pa rin yung pag-iisip natin, yung kabuuan natin, and then yung preparedness natin on how we go on the first initial stage of attacking nga, the Wormleys. Mamaya, share ko sa inyo kung ano-ano yung mga Wormleys, and it's too early pa naman din. Keep going na lang po. Thanks.
Zen, can I just contribute a little?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yung ito sa first part pa lang, no, sinasabi sa atin dito, attacking the warm list warhead, di ba? When we started sa ating business, we were told to write 100 names, di ba? Sino yung unang-unang papasok sa mind natin? So, sabi doon sa ating sa Business Honors Pro natin is family members, di ba? Yung mga ganon. Sino yung mga pinsan mo, mother side, father side, mga tita, tito, lolo, lola. And then, after that, pwedeng sabihin natin sino yung mga classmates mo ng elementary, high school, college, kung nag-work ka na, mga office mates mo, kapitbahay mo, mga naging kalaro mo. So, yun initially yun, no? So, yun yung kaya sinasabi dito na fundamental to the establishment of a network marketing business is the creation of what we call the warm list. So, yun talaga ang pinakaunang gagawin natin. And in fact, ginawa natin siya. Pero, ang nangyari sa atin because, in a way, we were guided, but not ako personally, parang may hit and miss din doon, no? Because, marami tayong marami naisip, pero yun pala dapat i-breakdown natin siya. But at least ngayon, we're learning na once we have somebody new sa ating team, talagang pigain natin. Di ba sabi ni GMD Mitch kahapon, hindi lang daw 200, 2,000 nga yung list of people natin, no? So warm. Actually, sa totoo lang, kung talagang seryosohin natin na i-dig deep, we have more than 2,000 na warm market
Yeah,
natin.
that's true.
Who will really
More
recognize, di
than.
ba sabi Zen, no? Yeah, totoo, Kes. Who will recognize Zen na once we call, when we say hello, di ba, this is ganito, ma-remember nila agad tayo, no?
Yeah,
Yes.
it will
Okay.
register to your mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sige, go ahead, Zen.
Kasi sa akin din, may konti akong share. Yung the 6 month of the career of the new distributors are critical. Kasi sa akin, yung bago pa ako, sobrang talagang nahirapan ako. Kasi yung number one, yung mag-reject, yung mahiya ako magsabi sa mga kapatid ko, sa mga kapitbahay. Kaya na doon ako sa ibang lugar nagapunta kaya nga nung nag-ano ko yung sa mga natin yung sa mga sa yung mga trainings natin doon ako medyo nag-init ako talaga ganun talaga yun na number one yung pamilya pa talaga ang hindi mo madadali malapitan kaya doon nag-init talaga ako kaya umatake ako doon sa mga hindi ko kakilala kaya doon ako nakakuha ng mga mga business partner noon na hindi ko kakilala kaya dito sa nga doon ko din na-realize na kahit pala may alam tayo, kaya pag wala pa tayong abot ng 1 year, pa tayo, parang baby pa tayo, mga infant pa tayo, nag-aaral pa step by step. Yun ang na-experience ko dito sa natin, sa first topic. Wala na? Proceed tayo sa natin. The second is creating a large warm list. Larger your warm list, the more solidly you will establish your business. By age 30, social psychologists have noted the average person literally known 2,000 people on a first name basis on the first step for a new distributors to begin making a 20-person list of people they know personally. We can hear the gas and the site already. Why do we recommended such a large warm list? If distributors are asked to create a 200-person list, they will average 60 of 70 names and feel proud. If they are urged to target 10 times this many, they will generally comes with hundreds of names and apologize for being short of a goal. Once you are well on your way with your list, select your top 25 people, those with whom you would most enjoy being in business. Since we believe so strongly that the warm list is the key to starting every network marketer on the right track, we are going to devote some time to it. Okay, next slide. We want you to know what this objection you will hear and how to overcome them, as well as how to create and use your warm list as a tool for building your business. Everyone has a warm list, but most don't know how to identify and record the names. 2,000 is a shocking number, but even more shocking is our inability to recall a mere of 10% of those acquaintances without a specific triggering device. A triggering device is a list of people, places, occupation, directories, or things that allow us to recall people from our past. The time we first became involved with network marketing, we each had a very intensive warm list and have since recruited others without lists far exceeded ours. We use telephone directories, old high school yearbooks, and books of vacation to help us create lists of several hundred people. The next section consists of a memory jogger to help you develop your own warm list. Sa my experience, wala talaga ako nakapaabot ng ano 'no, yung people list kahit even sa pamilya ko, sa mga ano kasi nalimutan ko na sila. Ano ba yung mga name, yung mga ano ko, yung mga relatives ko sa side ng mama ko, sa side ng papa ko. Kaya pinabaliwala ko, dito ko lang naalalaman isa din pala ito sa mga ano 'no, yung mga idea, yung mga strategy paano tayo makaano ng mga prospect, yung mga kakilala natin sa high school, during high school life natin, yung sa yearbook. Hindi ko akalain nga, akala ko yung sinasabi ng apply nung ano natin ganyan, akala ko sabi-sabi lang nila. Totoo pala kung hindi ako naging facilitator ngayon, hindi yun na-prove ba nga, ay talaga palang ganyan. Tapos hindi pa nga aabot ng 100 yung na-list ko. Sabi, "Mami, mag-list ka ng 100." Hindi hindi talaga, baka ma-blank talaga ako. Hindi pa siguro ako nakalahati kaya ngayon parang ano ako ba yung tinatamaan talaga ako. Ano talaga, parang napana yung ano ko, yung puso at utak ko. No? Sa ano na ito. Kaya ano ako dito, parang ako man yata natamaan ng topic na ito. Ah, sa iba, baka meron kayong nakarelate dyan na experience? Sino ang pwede? Sino, sino? Mamay?
Yes, good morning. Ay, hala.
Mabukulat talaga.
Yeah! Yeah! Dali na mo yan. Dali, nawala na yan.
Aray.
Sino pa? Sino pa diyang natamaan? Tinamaan ni Cupido. Natamaan sa panang Cupido.
Sige, go ahead, Zen.
Okay. The next is memory jogger to help make your warm less. Who do you know who warm? Your your respect shows genuine concern for other people, is active in their church. People always seem to like does personal counseling, such as church leaders, doctors, lawyer, etc. It is a professional. It is a club and various group organization or active in civic affairs is in a teaching position in a school or business deals with the public such as a police officers, firefighters, male careers, city official. Mami, next ano ma'am is in a management, mami, supervisory, consultant, or trainer capacity is looking for more out of life, is ambitious, assertive, and on the go, is considered a leader, attract leaders, has children just starting junior high, high school, or college, has children with special talent that should be developed, want to set a good example for their children to follow, owns a business, hold a very responsible position that is causing stress and pressure, want to have freedom, is considering a new profession, changing jobs, or has recently changing jobs, is unable to advance in her job, has talents but is held back, just started selling on or is an experienced direct salesperson, relies on ideas for this livelihood, authors, designers, promoters, advertisers, has never been able to get started or failed in business but still has strong desires, is going to college, business school, trade school, etc., or just graduated, was recently married and is just starting out, knows everyone, is town has international connection, should credibility, is elected to office, works with you now, you are see at the gym, is looking for a job, you play tennis with, you know from old neighborhood, appraise your home, already has a great job, takes care of your car, is in your Christmas card list, you take your cleaning too, is your accountant, you do civic work with does your hair, runs the spa, you see the coffee shop, the coffee, delivery your mail, seem to change jobs often, did your home repairs is connected about your skin and hair, is concerned about his weight, is into sports, fitness, want more times with the family. Who are our relatives? Parents, grandparents, sisters, brother, aunts, uncle, cousin, children, step relations. Who is our mail carrier? Newspaper delivery, parents, newspaper delivery, dentist, physician, ministers, florist, lawyer, insurance agent, accountant, congressional representative, pharmacist, veterinarian, optometrist. Next slide, Matthew. Who sold us our house, cars, tires, television, stereo, fishing license, hunting license, suit, tie, shoes, business cards, wedding rings, eyeglasses, contract vacuum cleaner, boat, camper, motorcycle, bicycle, living room furniture, air conditioner, kitchen appliances, lawn mower, luggage, Avon product, Tupperware, carpet. Do you know someone who live next door, across the street, is my spouse, barber, hairdressers, teaches our children at school, was best man, usher, maid of honor, bridesmaid, was the photographer who took our wedding pictures, is the purchasing agent where I work, is the financer or the finance director of school, goes hunting of or fishing with me, was my army or navy buddy, is the architect who drew up house plans, goes bowling with me or us, is, is the president of the PTA, was my spouse, college fraternity, brother or sisters. We met camping, is the credit manager of the store where I shop, is my spouse old high school teachers or principal, repaired my television, upholstery my couch, renew on our old jobs, went with us to the races in the carpool, installed our telephone, as a laundromat, teaches ceramics, owns a taxi service, cut the grass, cut the grass, painted the house, owns a pet shop where I bought the dog, installed our refrigerator, renewed my driver's license, own an apartment. It is in Rotary, Lions, Kiwanis with me, JS President, JC President, plays bridges with me or us in the garden club, is in the book club, is my child kindergarten teacher, is a deacon in my church, own a slipcover and drapery business manager and athletic club, give me a speeding parking ticket, those our income tax, clean our clothes, hang our wallpaper, taught our children drivers education this summer, work with the rescue squad, own beach mountain cottage where we vacation, sell us gasoline and services our car, sold my wife her wig, own a nursery, delivers parcel, works with the exterminator. This company stores my wife's winter coat, sells ice cream in the neighborhood, own and manage the jewelry stores downtown, sells aluminum awnings, work for the travel agency. So, marami pala tayong ano no, hindi talaga tayo maubusan ng ma-prospect o makausap kung susundin natin yung binasa natin. Kung yung mag-install ng ano natin ng ano tayo ng wifi, kailangan pala talaga na kausapin talaga natin, wala pala talagang palagpasin. Tinatamaan ako kanina, alis ako, nagpunta ako ng water district. Sayang yung time ko kasi parang ano ako ng hiya, tinatalo ako ng hiya ko kasi dapat usapin ko, may dala naman akong clip chart. Yun pala, wala pala, sabi pa, wala talagang pinipili. Kaya wala talagang rason na, ma'am, hindi ako nakaano kasi wala akong kausap. Kung basahin pala talaga natin, wow, kahit grass cutter, kausapin natin. Marami pala, tayo lang pala ang ang nauubusan ng ano hiya para makausap ng tao. Oh, grabe pala kung magsunod lang tayo dito sa book ng network. Sino pang may ano, ang may i-share sa ano natin, sa ano na ano experience natin
Ako, Zen.
kay Ma'am Elaine.
Oo. Sa page 153, yung sa pinakababa, yung last paragraph, sabi, take the time and use the resources to develop your list. So, tama, no? So, ito ngayon, kumbaga, after itong ating session tonight, we will use this list. Upo talaga tayo para ilista
Yes.
natin yung mga tao. Because unless ito, pinapa-remember na sa atin kung sino yung mga possible, no? Kasi sabi dito, all new distributors, o tayo, hindi naman talaga tayo new, to sit down in a quiet room with several triggering devices and attempt to create a warm list of 2,000 people. So it should take 2 or 3 days to get a good start. Okay lang, no? Importante naka-start. Kasi di ba kanina sa initial yung 2,000 sa previous, magpili tayo ng 200, but out of the 200, 25 pa talaga, i-breakdown pa natin siya. Sa 25 na tao na yun yung una-unang priority natin na talagang dapat kausapin.
So, mayroon pa ba? Meron pa bang nakarelate dyan? Okay, Ma'am May.
Correct.
Thank you, Ma'am May. Our next, if ma'am, may mag-share pa sa experience nila. Wala na. Okay. Okay. Yes, Ma'am May. May I request, Mama Lo? Asa, ma'am? Ma'am? Ma- si Mama Lo, ma'am? Mama Lo, andiyan pa ba si Mama Lo? Mama Lo. Mama Lo. Ka magbasa, Mama Lo? Nakamute ka, Mama Lo.
Yes,
Mama Lo,
good
nakamute.
morning. Good morning, everyone. At the warm list, the warm list warhead strikes. Ito ang babasahin ko, Ma'am May.
Yes.
Okay.
Explain na lang Malu.
Okay.
Pwede din basahin lang konti. Tapos,
Okay. Tandali. Hindi man ako na-start. Okay. Masyadong maliit ang mga letters sa akin dito. Generally, the warm list warhead strikes after you have given this assignment to your new associates. This is when arguments between sponsors and new distributors first begin. Sometimes objections aren't even verbalized because your new associates would often rather keep them to themselves. Most new network marketers are able to come up with a dozen good reasons why they don't know 2,000 prospects and why they can possibly go after. Friends and family first. For instance, we heard all the arguments over the years and none of them are valid. It is vital to the success of your newest distributors that they not ignore this warm market phase of this business. Okay, konti lang na explanation, no? So, yung mga bagong distributor talaga, pag sana no noon pa nabasa na natin itong book na natin sa your first year network marketing, no? May mga ideas na sana tayo. Minsan kasi yung mga distributors hindi makinig sa sponsor, nag-sponsor. Sometimes kung pasulatin kung ng mga prospect, yung mga friends and relatives, yan, isa din ako dyan, no? Makalimutan, konti lang masulat, sabihin natin na wala, yan lang talaga ang kilala ko. Pero nang nabasa na ko atong chapter na ito, ang dami palang source ng ating prospect, no? Yung mga friends, relatives natin, sabi ng nag-sponsor sa akin noon na ito sila ang ating kung wala man tayong makuhang sponsor dito tayo ma-practice kung paano natin i-share ang ating products and business opportunities. So sa tagal natin dito na magkausap ng iba't ibang tao, yung mga kilala natin, hindi na tayo mahiya kasi kilala natin sila. So, matrain tayo na mag-level up naman tayo doon siguro sa hindi na natin kilala, yung mamit natin kung saan, yan talaga ang patutunguhan natin dito. So, practice muna dito sa ating warm list, no? Kailangan talaga natin gawin ito para matuto tayo at ma-learn tayo. Yun lang po. Salamat.
Thank you, Mama Lo.
Ma'am Nides,
Yes.
meron akong i-share a little
Sige.
about this warm list strikes. 'Di ba usually yung warm list natin yung first natin dito sa ating pag-join kasi sa akin 'di ba itanong yung mga family, yung mga friends. Yun ang nasa list natin, no? Yung mga friend, yung mga close family friend. Napansin nyo ba na kung sino yung close family friend natin, yun pala ang mag-reject sa atin. So parang practice din, no? Talaga experience that. So excited ako at first. Tinawagan ko yung auntie ko, mayroon siyang challenge kasi excited ako na mag-share sa product. And at first, nireject ako. Talagang masakit talaga. Umiyak talaga ako, honest, no? Alam ni Ma'am Mayan, kasi sobrang ka-excited ko na siyempre next, di ba, naano ko yung product na address yung yung health challenge ko. So, kasi yung auntie ko kasi noon, meron din siyang kaya parang kailangan talaga niya ang product. So, tinawagan ko talaga siya right away, no? Right then na pag ni Ma'am May sa akin, nag-call ako sa kanya. Very talaga masakit, no, pero part pala yon, no, kasi yung talaga na talaga ako, umiyak talaga ako, honest. This is my honest testimony. Pero hindi naman ako what you call this, na nawala ng pag-asa or ba diyan, kasi binigay ko ang best ko na gusto kong tumulong, di ba? Yun naman ang sa atin, di ba, na sobra ka-excited natin. Siyempre yung family talaga ang una nating i-sharean, no? Especially yung may mga problema na kailangan talaga nila sa product. But then ni-reject niya ako. So, okay lang naman sa akin. At first talaga masakit, pero nasanay na din ako, no? Yan talaga, parang part din siya sa ating warm list na meron tayong may mga listahan, pero part din yan na ma-reject tayo. So, yun lang, Ma'am Zen. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Ems. Baka gusto mo ikaw naman magbasa ng lap of conviction.
Okay.
Excuse me, Zen?
Ma'am Pele.
Oo. Actually, itong sinasabi dito sa warm list warhead strikes, tatlo siya, may reason siya. Ang first, parang battle in the mind ba, no? So, ang una-una is, kung kulang ang conviction natin, ito yung sinasabi dito, kung kulang ang conviction natin, mahiya tayong mag-share, especially sa family, kasi gusto mo, may makita mo na, i-prove, di ba sabi dito, common excuse, I don't want to call my friends until after I'm making the money. Ganun, no? Pero
Yes.
mali siya. It's mistake, di ba? So, of course, sabi, the solution is to rely on the support of the upline leaders, those who have the track record of success in the business. Pwede yon. Pero important, tayo man ito, no? Nag-build tayo ng ating, yung list natin. So, dapat talaga, yung conviction mo sa ginagawa mo is really very strong. Because isa siya sa nagiging cause ng warhead. So, another reason naman dito is yung lack of self-esteem. Mababa ang self-esteem mo, 'di ba? Ayaw mo mag-share sa mga taong mas matataas ang posisyon sa iyo. May sinabi dito sa page 157, mga lawyers, mga physicians, ay natin silang i-approach kasi sabi natin na malaki na ang kinikita nila. Parang natin i-share na ito pwede. So ito isa din siya sa biggest challenge na pwede nating ma-encounter. 'Di ba? And ang third dito is yung fear of losing credibility. Matakot ka, no? Kasi 'di ba usually dito sa ano, yung professionals when they enter the ano, yung distribution tool natin ng ano, ng network distribution industry, so matakot tayo, no, na masisira yung credibility natin. So important dito, huwag tayong matakot because di naman peke itong gina-share natin tsaka di naman 'to bogus. Basta important dito, ikaw mismo na naniniwala ka na out of this, so it will take a process na ikaapat dito is sabi embarrassment from prior failure in MLM. Kung meron ka na naging experience in the past, no? So baka sabi mo, ay ayoko na lang, baka mamaya mag-fail ako, ano man sasabihin nila sa akin. Yung mga ganun. Kaya di ba, itong apat na ano to, itong warhead na ano, na issue, meron silang mga script na binigay na pwede nating magamit, na pwede natin siyang i-use na sample para makapasok tayo doon sa ano, sa mga tao na gusto nating kausapin despite sa may ganito tayo na issue sa ating self. May ipanglima pa nga eh, qualifying the leads. Kaya 'di ba sabi do not pre-qualify? Actually ito siya, yung lima ito. Pero sige, if you wanted to take up the first one, yung ano, yung sabi ko kanina na ano, na yung lack of conviction. So dapat talaga ang conviction natin sa product, ang conviction natin sa company, sa compensation plan should really be 100%. Okay na ako, Sen.
Sino ang gusto magbasa ng ano, ng lack of conviction? Ma'am Pelaine, okay ka?
Yes, oo. So sabi dito, lack of conviction. So network marketing is the process of sharing one's belief, yung paniniwala natin, no, in a marketing concept that is so unique and about which you are so enthusiastic that you cannot hold it inside. So ibig sabihin, dapat excited ka. 'Di ba? Excitement man tinasabi sa atin parati, 'di ba? Sabi nga, hindi daw tayo makatulog sa gabi, no? Hindi natin tayo makaantay na magkausap tayo sa tao. So itong level ng conviction, kung kulang daw siya kasi may hino-hold back tayo. Kumbaga parang may ay, ayoko na lang muna, baka mamaya anong sabihin. Pero sabi dito, if you try to go forward without it, yung walang conviction ha, your friends can hear the reservation in your voice. So, di ba madidetect nila once hindi ka fully sold out, madidetect nila. So, so first, do your best to try to work through whatever reservation is holding you back. So, yun ang pinaka-ano dito, pinaka-core. Ikaw muna, settle mo yung sarili mo, dapat 100% ang conviction mo sa ating company, sa product at sa compensation plan. Yan yung pinaka-core dyan, Sen. Pwede tayo mag-proceed doon sa number 2, sa page 157, who want to share sa ano, lack of self-esteem.
Sen, can I read the second warhead, Mom, so I can explain a little less? I read and then little less, but I can't pull my down if tama ba yung direction natin, or I'll still have the flow na lang din, no? Kasi later na lang yung suggestion. Anyway, to continue, second warhead, lack of self-esteem. Many people avoid their warm market, take note ha, because of their poor self-image. It is a delicate issue and one that must be approached with sensitivity. Some people do not feel that their friends and relatives respect them. In fact, many people believe that the friends they approach will laugh at them and ridicule them for attempting to be an entrepreneur. Let's look at our classic scenario. Bob is a bus driver who loves to play poker on the weekends, and he belongs to three different groups at men who also loves to play cards. As Bob makes out his warm list, he writes down the names of 12 men whom he knows well from the poker clubs. The only problem is that Bob is always on the socio-economic totem Paul. The other men are white-collar professionals, while they respect Bob's skill as a poker player. Bob just naturally assumes that they wouldn't consider listening to him about a business deal. But Bob is totally wrong unless you address this issue in general terms during training. Bob will not approach those men. Here's what we suggest you say, because there will always be someone similar to Bob in your group. And so on, but the situation are still clear, but they won't be for moving forward lang ako, mama. And then, but they won't be your friends anymore when they find out that you got involved with the business. Why would be, etc. and so on, if they do resist accepting your presentation, but they, so ganito yun siya. We encountered a lot of situation. We encountered a lot of affiliation. For me as myself, I don't end up with retired bank officer. I still join an affiliation. I still become the coordinator of the village. So from there, I've been working to a lot of groups. I've been seeing a lot of potentials. I've been feeling, napupull out ko yung sensitivity nila. Napupull out ko yung asa na ba sila? Where do they stand? Pagka minsan, hindi na rin ako marunong umiyak. Why? Because ang strategy ko is to listen. Because from there, meron pala silang pinagdadaanan. Iba-iba yung mga storytelling nila. Katulad natin, nasa networking tayo, meron tayong mga stories din on our own. I might not be a blockbuster storyteller, but I can project that my self-esteem is not that quiet, but it's still developing. More often than not, ganun din ang iba sa atin. Huwag tayong maya because we're not racketing any robber. We're not a robber. We're not a rapist. We're just projecting an image of a good product na storyteller tayo to help people live better every day. So ang bigat pag ang buhay ang pinag-uusapan dito, regardless of profession, kasi alam natin na ang attitude natin would boost us up. Nagsisimula yan sa maliit na story, and then that story may not be the same with you, pero mind you, we learn from a lot of story. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Ma'am Kesh. Continue ta sa fear of losing credibility. Kasi pwede mo mabasa.
Yes,
Ma'am
ma'am.
Annabelle. Isa pwede mo basa.
Ma'am Annabelle, go ma'am. Third warhead, fear of losing credibility.
The third warhead, fear of losing credibility. As more professional enter the network distribution industry, it is the natural that they will want to postpone acknowledging their participation until the time is right. For example, some will pretend that is their wife's business. The problem is that if you're a professional and people sense your doubt, uncertainty about the industry, they will also be suspicious. Some will choose not to join, and others will join but build through someone else, such as their spouse. But the reality is the one someone of stature has joined our industry. The floodgates start opening for everyone, and more open than not. It's the ordinary, everybody people who made it to the pinnacle, not too big hitter of the traditional business. Law of medicine through they certainly can earn enormous wealth while pushing their sponsor into the stratosphere. We can relate countless story of people who have failed at this business because they were afraid to let their peer know how very serious they were about building a network organization. So take over, Ma'am Pilane.
Ano nangyari? Ako
Ikaw
mag-explain?
sa iyong base sa
Ah,
experience mo, Elaine.
okay. Ito credibility, no? 'Di ba? Ito sabi dito na sabihin niya na, "Ay hindi ito business ito ng asawa ko." Parang ayaw niya i-take yung ano, nasa siya nga ang gumagawa nito, 'no? I-acknowledge dapat. Tapos ang isa dito is sabi pa niya na, kung halimbawa ikaw takot ka kasi mag-share ka na baka mawala yung credibility mo, sabi dito na, "The problem is that if you're a professional and sense your doubts, ikaw nagda-doubt ka, mag-share ka, professional ka ha, pero nagda-doubt ka, mag-share ka rin sa iyong co-professional, hindi sila maniniwala sa iyo. Mas maniniwala sila doon sa mag-share sa kanila na talagang may conviction, na talagang alam niya at naiintindihan niya kung anong ginagawa niya. So yun yung importante dito. So doon sabi dito, more often than not is the ordinary people who make it to the pinnacle, minus sa tuktok, no? Not the big hitters. Kasi sabihin na, ay, professional ako, ba't ko gagawin yan? 'Di ba? So, yun ang kanilang mindset. And then, ano sabi dito? Ito, may example dito Sabi dito na si Richard played it safe. Okay. Saan nag-start itong story nila, mag-asawa. We can relate countless stories of people who failed at this business because they were afraid to let their peers know how very serious they were about building a networking organization. So, nag-fail sila because kulang nga ang kanilang credibility, takot sila, no? Di sila naging successful. So, sabi ito, one story goes back to 1990 when Renee sponsored a couple, Susan and Richard from San Francisco Bay Area. She was a corporate executive of maternity leave, highly motivated because she wanted to stay home with her baby and not return to the office. So gusto sana niya home-based ang trabaho. Susan was competent, organized, and self-starter. Richard was a high-level salesman for a food manufacturer who admitted that he was no longer excited to his job. So meron naman itong asawa, ayoko na magtrabaho, even he has been well-established with a Fortune 500 company. So si Richard was concerned about how his reputation among his corporate peers might suffer by joining network. Sabi niya pa, ay, nandito ako nang galing tapos sasali ako ngayon dito. Parang feeling lang mababa nga, no? Could not afford to have his boss learn of his involvement. So, mahiya siya. So, parang sa atin siguro, di ba, una-una, parang si M, di ba, experience ni M na banker. Tapos, instead na siya ang nilalapitan ng mga tao before, pati si Kesa, ngayon sila ang lumalapit sa mga tao. Yung mga ganun, no? Pero at least, ang maganda, because sa atin, sa case natin, nandoon yung ano, we are credible enough to really share about it, no? Because ikaw mismo, sold out ka ba? So, important talaga yun.
Yes, thank you, Ma'am Elaine. So, Continue tayo sa fourth wormhead. Embarrassment from prior failure in multi-level marketing. Another more common reason people will use to justify not approaching warm market leads in embarrassment. They are mortified because they're already been in three multi-level marketing deals and they cannot stand the thought of approaching their family and close friends a fourth time. It's actually a legitimate concern. It's human nature, but it's not sufficient justification because some people have been involved in several companies. They know have one of the best approaches possible. Here's the basic dialogue we teach our new distributors who are concerned about this problem. After a bit of small talk, they then share this information with our market prospects. You and your wife know that I've been researching a field of MLM or multi-level marketing. tweak carefully. In fact, in an effort to become extremely knowledgeable. Over the last few years, I have enrolled in several different companies in order to learn from the different expert well. I am happy to tell you that all the analysis finally paid off. I've been able to matter enough about the industry to pick the global organization that allows people to earn 30 million to 50 million a month in the shortest amount of time. $30,000 to $50,000 a month in the shortest amount of time. I've spent a lot of time, money, and energy doing my homework, and now I'm so excited. I seem to be losing sleep every night. I need to see you as soon as possible to find out if you would be interested in earning this kind of money. Instead of portraying your past involvement of your new distributor's past involvement as a liability, turn it into the asset. Wouldn't you know you wouldn't you much rather purchase life insurance or an automobile or or actually anything from someone who has had the broad experience of representing more than one company? Is your situation? Then be sure to use this strategy to approach the people in your warm market. So, Miss Kane, can you explain more?
Then,
Nakikinig ka na, May?
ako, may share ako.
Sige, sige, ma'am.
Oh,
Sige.
okay. So dito, 'di ba, itong fourth natin na ano na warhead is yung takot ka kasi dito sa Versus story, meron ng tatlong multi-level companies na hindi siya naging successful, 'di ba? Tatlo na 'yon, sinalihan niya. Pero ang maganda lang sa kanya kasi sabi niya na ito sa second paragraph sabi niya pa, I am happy to sabi niya, I have enrolled in several different companies in order to learn from their different experts. So ibig sabihin, parang naka-acquire siya ng learning, i-acknowledge niya. Hindi nga siya naging successful, but naka-acquire siya ng learning out of the three previous companies. Sabi niya, ngayon, sabi niya, I'm happy to tell you that all the analysis finally paid off. I've been able to master enough about the industry to pick up the global organization that allows people to earn 30 to $50,000 a month. So yun ang kanya naging naging parang ginawa niyang springboard ba na yung previous niya na failures niya, ay wala na, ayaw ko na. Pang-apat, ayaw ko na rin mag-share kasi baka mamaya palpak na naman to. Pero naging wise siya enough to tell na out of those three experiences, nag-learn siya doon. And dito, talagang na-excited siya. No? Hindi na nga siya makatulog. Sabi, I need to see you as soon as possible. No, wala. Gusto kitang makita because dito, maganda dito. Mag-earn tayo nito. That's why interested siya. So instead of portraying na yung past involvement mo, sabi sa last paragraph, na or your new distributor's past involvement is a liability na parang palpak siya, i-turn mo siya into an asset na based on experience. Di ba parang si si Alexander Graham Bell ba itong nag-ilan ang ng ating light bulb? Di ba sabi niya pa, I did not fail, but I only discovered 100 different ways of doing it not right. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, marami palang paraan ba't hindi pala yung tama. So, ibig sabihin, positive ang kanyang approach ba? So, dito, ganun din ang gagawin natin. So, instead na sabi niya, ay, hindi ako naging successful, ay, hindi na rin ito okay. But i-turn mo siya into asset. Because I believe, di ba, sabi nga na, ano yung sabi sa ating reading na walang problem, walang magic kung walang problem. Nakalimutan ko yung I already wait lang ha. yung aking pinabasa gani na reading natin, sabi dito na every miracle begins with a problem. So kumbaga ito, parang we'll take it as the 3 learning experiences 3 companies in the previous could be feeding mo problem. But actually, ito palang coming, itong darating o itong dumating is already the answer.
Base may experience kanya Ma'am Pilay? Yan sa topic natin, may experience kanya, may danadan ka, wala?
Wala, because kaya lang ako nag-networking eh.
Kaya ako din, hindi rin ako ng company. Ayun talaga sa able. Yung sa akin, iba kasi dito, sa Sino may naka-experience na natin, yung topic natin dito?
Annabel, ang mic mo, Annabel.
Wala, sorry.
Ako mo yung Annabel. Sino naka-encounter niyan?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ako ma'am, may i-share lang ako ma'am. Meron kasi dito yung instead of portraying your past involvement or your new distributor's past involvement as a liability, turn it into an asset. Wouldn't you much rather purchase life insurance or an automobile or actually anything from someone who has the broad experience of representing more than one company? So experience ko before just turned from the school as my first profession because they project me as magmamadre ako ma'am as going back to none. I was never been a nun. Yang parang kasi yung singit ko lang kahit na marami-rami pa tayong pag-uusapan. From the Notre Dame School, siyempre iba yung projected niya as dapat holy ka and all. So kinausap ako nung principal na priest na parang ang personality mo hindi pwede dito. So, parang rejection on my profession, rejection on my ability na hindi ka dapat din submissive ka dapat doon kasi employee yun tapos may employment. Tapos, giship ko siya sa business din na maliliit. Into business na rin talaga ako noon from the goods, from the different accessories. After nun, you just don't find it a little pa rin kasi for their income. Maliit-liit din naman kasi yung income noon. Nag-ship na naman ako na I was offered to become a medrep representative. Oh my goodness, I'm not a doctor. I don't have any medical technologies learned. So talagang inaral-aral mo siya. So from there, nagtitiyaga ka because you really wanted to earn that much, diba? So, and then now, nagtagal ako sa bangko. Ang sinasabi ko lang sa inyo dito is you don't qualify a company based na although nandyan yung selling income is not a professional selling income, yung mga ganon, or nakikita mo yung potential mo na hindi ka pala pwede dito sa company to, but still, kina-qualify mo ang self mo na marami kang learnings na nakukuha para makuha, ma-pull. No, it's not. Marami kang learnings na nakukuha, tapos na-establish yung iyong strategy, na-apply mo yung loopholes mo sa different company na hindi pala applicable sa next company mo, at madadala mo pa rin yan siya sa networking.
Zen, can I add? Maalala ko lang si Sir June, 'di ba galing siya sa anong company ito yung dati siya?
Amway.
Amway, oo. 'Di ba sabi niya, yung learnings na doon, ginamit niya rin dito. So, kumbaga parang combination na ang kung anong na-learn niya sa lifestyles at saka yung sa previous employment niya, which is nagamit niya. So, naging asset niya yun, di yun naging liability on his part. So, by the way, yung kay Kesa kanina, non-N-U-N ha, hindi na non-N-O-N-E. N-U-N, madre ba? Madre. Okay. No? So, basta magagamit natin. Any experience, magagamit natin. Basta alam natin paano siya i-twist. Diba? Negative, diba? Parang kaya sa sinasabi, negative ang situation but we do not declare it as negative because you turn it into something positive para ikaw mismo na-convince mo sarili mo, okay ito, I am on the right track, I'm doing the right thing.
So, yes, Ma'am Billy, in addition to that, di ba network marketing yun talaga kailangan natin yung attitude natin. No, involved talaga attitude lahat. Yung mga experiences natin, so attitude, paano natin yung mga experience natin, paano natin na na overcome or makatulong sa atin, sa ating experience. Especially dito sa network marketing. Ano ko din, i-share ko din a little, no, yung sa akin na, tama yung sabi ni Ma'am Pilin, noon ako ang hinahanap ng tao. Ngayon, ako ang naghahanap ng tao. Mahirap talaga mag-adjust. Pero, I tried my best. Kasi, how many years din ako nag-work. Parang, yun nga, this book is very, talaga, essential sa atin, no? Pag nabasa natin na parang, talaga, yung, I understand talaga natin, no? Line by line. Kasi, ibalik-balik natin kung ano talaga ibig sabihin. Matuto talaga tayo kasi, ito talaga parang experience din ito sa nagsulat, 'di ba? Yung mga author daw, yun talaga experience nila na i-share nila sa mga nila, sa mga future readers nila. So, thankful tayo kasi meron tayong ganitong workshop na yung
Tools.
introduction, oo, na
Hindi
maintindihan
siya
natin kasi, oo.
oo.
Mas better
Hindi
kasi yung may iba-ibang idea na din natin. Okay, yun lang.
Thank you, Ma'am
At saka
Ems.
yung at saka yung Ma'am M, yung sinabi mo kanina, yung learning natin, Ma'am, hindi natatapos. It still
Yes.
continue and become more and more and
Yes.
more. Tapos yung attitude, yun yung katabi niya. So kailangan go hand in hand yan siya para maging perfect at happy tayo, di ba?
Yes, agree. Yes. Kasi we are looking for people. So dapat tayo, 'di ba? First, tayo maging firm, 'di ba? Dito, 'di ba? Self talaga. You, 'di ba? Sabi ni Sir John Yu, yung sa niya, sa RLT niya, tayo talaga. Tayo talaga kasi tayo ang gagawa ng business. Tayo ang hahanap ng mga people. So tayo ang maging leader, no? So yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Ems. Thank you, Ma'am Pilay. Thank you, Ma'am Cash. Atong last is a tip warm head. May request, Ma'am Lucy. Ma'am Lucy, it's your
Yay!
turn.
Ma'am Lucy! Yay! Go, Ma'am!
Yes, yes.
As okay, itong fifth warhead, qualifying the leads. Okay, there is a critical difference between traditional business and MLM. Traditional sales and marketing reps are taught to always qualify their prospects. For example, a Xerox rep wouldn't attempt to sell a $3.5 million sealer printer to a company that didn't need it or couldn't afford it. To qualify a prospect is to, sana yun? Wala. To qualify a prospect, di makita. Hindi makita.
Ma'am, to qualify a prospect, ma'am, is to determine before an attempted sale. Makita, ma'am?
Hindi ko makita.
Sige, ma'am. If indeed that prospect both needs and can afford your product or service, but we call MLM the great equalizer because anyone can achieve staggering levels of success. To decide in advance that one person is too important to be approached about your business or another is too inadequate to succeed can literally be economic suicide. Do not, under any circumstance, attempt to determine in advance who is qualified and who is not, who may be interested and who will not be, who is approachable and who is not. Sige, Ma'am Luz.
Okay. Yung pagkakaintindi ko dito is gi-compare yung MLM, multi-level marketing through the traditional business, no? Siyempre, yung traditional business is magkano lang yung kikitain mo doon. While sa MLM, kung maglahutay ka lang, talagang aangat ka, no? So, pag meron kang tiyaga, may persistency ka at productivity dito. So, nandyan man talaga yan sa ating system, no? Nandyan talaga yan sa system natin yung mga guide natin. Na if ever may tiyaga ka dito sa MLM, talagang aangat ka. Sa traditional business, wala. Ikot-ikot ka lang dyan, ikot-ikot ka lang dyan, hanggang sa tatanda ka sa business mo. Pero dito, ilang taon mo lang pagtiyagaan, may harvestin ka. Oh, yun yung pagkakaintindi ko dito. Yun lang ma-share ko. Kung mayroon pang iba dyan magbigay pa ng kanilang opinion. Sige.
Sino pang
Ma'am
may
Zen,
experience?
may
Yes,
add
Ma'am
ako.
Ellen.
Ito lang
Okay,
sa
Ma'am Ellen.
word dito na, but we can call multi-level marketing or network marketing the great equalizer because anyone can achieve staggering levels of success. So, di
Ma'am Ellen,
ba,
bakit
anyone
encounter
can
mo?
do it, no? Even if you're a professional, basta anybody, no, anyone can do this business. Wala tayong pinipili, hindi tayo mag-pre-qualify kasi hindi natin alam kung siya ba yung hinahanap natin o gusto niya ang business o ito ang hinahanap niya, ito ang makatulong sa kanya, no, di ba? Yun lang, Ma'am Zen. Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am,
Mag-add
ano
ako,
lang tayo?
Zen.
Ma'am Elaine?
Oo. So ito, yung about the leads, mean to say yung mga tao, yung list natin, no? So hindi, kasi sabi dito, traditional sales and marketing representatives, tinuruan sila to always qualify kung sino ang kakausapin nila ng mga prospect. But sa atin, we do not qualify. Do not pre-qualify because bigay example dito yung Xerox rep, hindi niya i-attempt na magbenta ng 3.5 million na laser printer. Kasi Xerox copier lang siya eh. Representative lang siya ba na hindi feeling niya, hindi niya man ito kailangan o hindi niya ito kaya. So kaya sabi kanina, importante to qualify a prospect is to determine before an attentive sale if indeed that prospect both needs and can afford it. Tama. Aralan mo, kaya niya ba ito? Kailangan niya ba ito? Bago mo siya puntahan, no? Or else, sabi dito, but we call MLM, tama, yung great equalizer talaga. So that's why this will help us decide in advance kung sino ang dapat kausapin at i-approach. Pero sa atin kasi, sa business natin, we do not pre-qualify. Ito
Yes.
kasi kina-qualify nila yung tao dito eh.
Kasi sa base sa akin, experience, hindi ako nagpipili. Mas gusto ko pa yung mas mali, yung totoo yan sabi nila, ang ginalapitan, yung mas mababa pa ng kalagayan mo sa sitwasyon mo. Kasi mahiya ka man yung mas nakaangat pa sa'yo. Kasi yan parati ang sa akin ba, state ako ng tao pag kita ko mas mataas ang katayuan niya sa akin. Kaya mas mas hiyang ako doon sa mas nakaangat ako kaysa kanya. Kaya talagang hindi hindi pala dapat, 'no? Kaya kahit yung mas nakaangat, kailangang tayo, may kapal ng mukha talaga ang usapin natin, hindi lang yung mas mababa pa sa kalagayan natin, 'no? Yun ang naano ko. Ma'am May? Ma'am May, tapos na po tayo sa Ma'am May. Hindi kasi mataas na yung ano yes, Ma'am May.
Azen?
Thank you.
Itong last statement dito, sabi dito, to decide in advance that one person is too important to be approached about your business or another is too inadequate to succeed can literally be economic suicide. Totoo, no? Because hindi mo alam yung nagsasabi na may money sila but they will not actually join. But yung mga wala, kaya hindi yung sabi PhD na sinasabi sa atin, no? We're hungry and driven. So, we can never tell. Diba? Like sa atin, mga GMBs natin. Tuna vendor, manicurista, tricycle driver, van driver, and all. Marami, no? So, mean to say, importante, lahat. Tama yung sabi ni Mami kanina na itong atin is actually, this is an equalizer because hindi mo akalain na even yung example ni Mami kanina, yung street sweeper, nakabili ng intra because ayaw niyang ma-admit sa hospital. No, pero kung ikaw mag-isip, ay, sa gawalis lang man yan sa kalye, hindi yan maka-afford magbili. O, di ba? Yung mga ganun. So, may matulungan talaga tayo.
So, wala nang mag-share. Kasi ano na tayo, lampas na ng time frame. Mami?
Overtime.
Back to our host.
Yes, ma'am. We end na.
Okay. Okay na, Ma'am Zen?
Yes, mo.
Ay, Ma'am May, have any announcement for sa ating ating group? Independence Day, opo.
And then hope tomorrow, ma'am, si Lucy is one of the speakers.
Then,
Oo, yes. Nakausap ko si GMD Ramil, ma'am. Sabi ko sa kanya, GMD Ramil, excited kami that you will join us on Friday. Sabi niya, magbisaya lang ko ha, kadili ko kasuga ko ng Tagalog. Sabi niya. Opo, excited siya, ma'am. Oo. Oo. Yes. Sige, mag-invite tayo ng marami. We will pray na talagang maraming makapasok sa
Yes,
Friday.
invite all.
Yung mga teachers natin. Yes. Opo. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Ma'am May. Thank you, Ma'am Zen, for facilitating our workshop this morning. Thank you sa mga nag-impart, may nag-share. And also, uh, for tomorrow's natin hope and workshop, and sa Friday, we're all excited for the online, no? So, dapat marami tayong invitation, marami tayong guests, no? And so, tayo na, 8:42 na. So, thank you very much, everyone. So, I would like to call Regional Red Director, Ma'am Kesa, for the closing prayer.
Let's bow down our heads to pray for